What's a modern trend you think people will regret in 10 years? Not building any tolerance for being offended, uncomfortable, distressed, conflict, etc. I get that for a long time. The opposite was true, and that wasn't good either. But it baffles me how people act like if their worldview is not immediately and vehemently agreed with and upheld by every single other person, they will melt into a puddle, and the world will be worse for it. I can't tell you how many times a week I just want to say, grow the fuck up. But, to be clear, it's a multi-generational and multicultural problem, emo. I don't think one group is guilty, but I do think it has gotten worse in the last decade. Another one. Not owning what you buy anymore. Everything is turning into a subscription, so you can just keep paying. But if you stop paying, you have nothing. And every year you get less, or they update the plan to give you more just to increase the charge.